of a computer. Hello children, we all know that our body is made up of different parts like eyes, ears, nose, hands, legs. Similarly, a computer also consists of various parts that help in its working. Let us learn the different parts of a computer. The different parts of the computer are monitor, mouse, keyboard, CPU, speaker, web camera, printer. The main parts of the computer are monitor, mouse, keyboard, CPU, speaker, web camera, printer. Let us learn these parts of a computer one by one. So children, today we are going to learn about a computer monitor. What do you know about a monitor? Yes, a monitor looks like a television screen. It displays what we are doing on the computer. We can see movies and play games using a monitor through the screen. This is the screen of a computer. So children, now you are clear that a monitor looks like a television screen and it has a big screen. I have a few lines on a monitor which I am going to sing in front of you. The monitor has the big screen, the big screen, the big screen. The monitor has the big screen. It is the part of a computer. Hope you enjoy the song. Yes? Then come on children, sing with me. The monitor has the big screen, the big screen, the big screen. The monitor has the big screen. It is the part of a computer. So children, let us learn how to draw the picture of a computer monitor. You have to make a small box and of course it needs a stand. Yes, here is our monitor.
Now it's time to learn the spelling of computer monitor. So let's start to learn the spelling of computer monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R Monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R Monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R Monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O.
I am having a few questions for you. Try this by yourself. Okay, let's start. The monitor has a big screen. Second, the monitor is the part of a computer. The third one, we can see cartoons using monitor. And the fourth, the computer monitor looks like a television screen.
Now let us write this in your notebook. First, draw the picture of computer monitor on your notebook. Then write the spelling of monitor 5 times and read louder. Then write the fill in the blanks. It has been already explained. Questions and answers. What is a computer monitor? A computer monitor is an output device and it displays what we are doing on the computer. How does the computer monitor looks like? The computer monitor looks like a television screen. What is the other name of a computer monitor? The other name of computer monitor is computer screen or display. Thank you, children.